With all the amazing amenities and housing on campus, it can sometimes be hard to get out of bed in the morning for those 8 a.m. classes. I, however, find my motivation, also known as coffee, at Starbucks and Science East. This is the perfect way for me to get my cup of energy in the morning, and I always seem to run into a few friends hanging out before their classes too. Science East is also where we find a lot of general education classes in classrooms much like this one, including a course that a lot of freshmen will have to take. For example, freshman English only has about 25 to 30 students at a time. The small class sizes here at SVSU make it possible for students to work closely with their professors, creating connections that later help you out when you begin taking classes in your major. Science East is home to the chemistry and computer science departments. The building also has a variety of classes for different majors, labs, and offices for faculty. So you may be coming back to this building later for a class in your major. Science East is also home to the Dow Science and Sustainable Education Center and the Saginaw Bay Environmental Science Institute. Both centers do research in the Saginaw Bay watershed and offer undergrad students hands-on experience in data collection and analysis. This is an opportunity you will not find anywhere else in the state. Science West, which houses labs for biology and physics courses, also has a campus greenhouse attached to it. So if you're looking for a welcoming environment with faculty and resources committed to helping you thrive, then this is the state school for you.